I read all of your recommendation. I went to your profile. I read all of your some people. There were many people who recommend you.
Nah,
Thank,
that's amazing.
and it's thanks to you also because I met you over the LinkedIn and you helped me and then you guided me everything. Thanks
No,
to
it's
you
my
also.
pleasure. My pleasure. Honestly, it's why we do it. We love to hear these success stories.
It's very good. With this internship, I get to know about the compliance more deeper, not for the UAE regulation, for the US, for the UK, for the Singapore, for the Hong Kong. It's like I get the knowledge of all over the world with this internship, and I get to know how to use the protocol, how to use this blockchain tool. That was very interesting, actually. The tool looks very interesting. That's the real data. I can see, I can use it, I can track the data. It was very interesting. Especially Mr. Michael, he helped me a lot to guide me. I learned a lot of things from him, and still I'm learning from him. And he's a good guy. He helped me a lot. Fuller.
Nah, that's
And
amazing.
it's thanks to you also because I met you over the LinkedIn and you helped me and then you guided me everything. Thanks
No,
to
it's
you
my
also.
pleasure. My pleasure. Honestly, it's why we do it. We love to hear these success stories.
I take a break from my career for 6 to 8 months. Then I came back again here in Dubai and I tried to enter in the compliance. Everywhere I'm going to get a job, they were asking me to get a camp certification. So I got a certification also last year. Instead, it was very difficult for me. It's been very difficult for me to get a job. I was trying to get a job in the compliance compliance section in the traditional bank here in Dubai. But unfortunately, I didn't get any job because they wanted me to get experience first in the compliance exactly directly, not indirectly. So that was a time. That time was very difficult for me. But after getting internship from Global Early Career, I got confidence actually. And with this Global Early, I got a chance to get to know compliance in virtual assets. That's feel very interesting for me actually.
It's the future.
It's the future.
For companies, they are going to be looking at people like you who haven't got 20 years experience. They're new, they're fresh, they come with fresh perspectives. They understand the new technologies, they understand the new products of the world. They're understanding new technology and new systems to use for financial crime prevention and compliance. So you are going to be in a position in the market where not a lot of people are. Because you've already got the skills, and now this new experience working with a financial crime technology company.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's all because of you.
Yeah, I mean, look, it's not. I mean, I was a part in the machine, but at the end of the day, it comes down to the individual. At the end of the day, I've got feedback from the client the last 2 months, and the feedback's been amazing. Like, it's been like, Saf's amazing, like he's really good, he picks it up, like I give him tasks, he does them, I can really trust him and lean on him, and he's adding value to the business. And I know that he has hiring plans for you.
Wow, good to know that. Thank you.
And for his compliance team.
From now to 12 months, I wanted to lead a compliance team. I wanted to work as a head of compliance in virtual asset company, and I wanted to lead that team. I will be very happy to work with you.
You're definitely going to be working with us. There's no doubt about that. I mean, we've got Global Careers Group, right? But within that group, we've got Global Early Careers, which is what you're going through at the minute, our internship program. But we've also got Global Finesse Careers, so short for Financial Services Careers. So the idea is for you to become a part of Global Finesse Careers as a part of our trusted talent bench for financial crime projects. So this is really the reason why we have Global Early Careers, is so that we can give emerging talent the opportunity to get a track record, get hands-on experience along with their training.
Okay.
And once we get all the feedback and the performance metrics back from the client, which we are gathering, that goes down on your profile. So we're getting all of this data in the background while you're going through this internship, and it's going all on our talent platform, and it's being updated all the time. So when you finish the internship, I believe that Mikel will want to hire you because of the things he's been saying.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, yeah, exactly. But if that doesn't happen, we've got a solid CV of your performance now, which was the biggest thing that was missing. You've got global exposure, like that is amazing. To get global exposure honestly, you're working with like government entities and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, I will work with the government entity. I will work with the financial institute also to develop a tool.
Yeah, new tools, technology.
Which going to use, or any regulator, they have a different requirement. We have to follow that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So for people listening, so I know the client well. I've worked with him for a long time. So essentially, they're a technology company, and they have different financial crime compliance technology systems and tools that they offer clients and government entities, right?
Yeah.
So you're a part of building new systems and new tools for clients to help them prevent financial crime and follow regulatory compliance and updates, right?
Yes, correct.
That's amazing. So that is where it's going, systems, fine tuning, optimization of transaction monitoring systems, financial crime systems. That's where the market's going with technology.
Yes.
As well as virtual assets.
Yeah, this technology is based on AI also, actually.
Yeah, so you are like honestly 10 steps ahead of the market, because that's where it's going. So I'm super excited for you. It's such a great opportunity to work with those guys, because what we see, especially with very niche specialist roles, that senior roles, there's a lot of demand around these sorts of things to implement financial crime prevention technology with banks and fintech firms and stuff like that. Yeah. So honestly, it's going to be absolutely incredible. Yeah, so I mean, that's great. The goals are there, the education, the background, it's all aligned with what you want to achieve, right? This internship. That's cool.
For an interview, they usually asking me some technical question that for sure I don't know, because I didn't work with the compliance. So with this internship, I get to know with too much of technical knowledge that helped me to fill that gap. So with this internship, I get to know everything.
That's amazing.
Before that time, I don't know anything. This was my difficulties. And even I'm not getting a job for an entry level. That I feel that I'm very frustrated.
So you was trying to get into opportunities, wasn't able to. So you're going along this journey, and then you find us, right? You find Global Early Careers.
Yes. While I was looking for a job, I find Mr. Tayyab. Then he introduced me to you. And when we had a call with you, you teach me everything, you guided me everything, you explained me about the role, and that I feel very excited. The role was very excited, and you have a good recommendation. I saw your profile. You helped a lot of people. Then I got a confidence that this guy is going to help me also.
Absolutely, that's good. So you saw our company on LinkedIn. You got in touch with one of our recruiters.
Yeah.
The recruiter said, Saf's amazing. He's everything that would fit for this position. He would do really well. We had a call with you.
Yes.
Didn't we? We had an interview.
Yeah, we had an interview.
And then you impressed us. We was very impressed by the things you were saying, because it all comes down to what is your career goal? What is it that you want to achieve long term? That for us is the most important thing when we come to consider the right people for our programs, because we don't accept everybody. We're very selective, right? Very selective. We don't just put anybody in.
Yeah, I remember you took my interview for mostly, I think, more than 20 hours. We had a discussion. More than a 20 minute we had a discussion.
Yeah, we was on the call for about 45 minutes, I think.
Yes, I forget. I think it's more than half an hour, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but we have to, because at the end of the day, it's our reputation that's on the line.
Yeah.
Right? We want to make sure that we get the best interns into our clients, because if we get the best interns into our clients, then you're going to get the chance of you being hired by that company and you joining a part of our Global Finesse Careers talent bench. You need to be at the top, right? You need to have the things that you can't really teach. So things like having the right attitude, the right mindset, the right belief. You need to believe in yourself. We will help you. We will help you with that confidence and that belief in yourself. Of saying, you can do this. But at the end of the day, we can't force you, and we wouldn't want to force you. So you had all those things: the right attitude, the right mindset, the drive. It helped that you had a background as well in education. You've had this desire for 6 years to get into this field. You just need that opportunity, that foot in the door, and now you're away, which is fantastic.
After 1 week, I got a internship day. I joined this.
And we've got many projects coming in at the minute as well. That like for junior contractors, permanent positions. So all of these now you've got a track record. And references and testimonials that you're going to get from the client.
Okay.
This is what we want to present to our clients for junior contract roles. And they're all very similar: fintech, financial services, consulting companies. Work with the big four and stuff like that. So these are sorts of people that we want to, put you into eventually. Once we get all of that.
Great.
So that's the plan. That's definitely the plan. So either way, whether the client takes you on or whether you just join our bench and we get you into something after that, then either way, it's a win-win. But to be fair, I mean, we've had a lot of situations, and this might even happen with you, right, where the client's offered you a full-time role.
Okay.
We've got contract roles or other permanent roles. But now you've got all of this experience and these testimonials and these references and referrals from us and the client, and your CV's looking amazing, and we've helped you with that. You start applying for jobs on your own behalf.
I stopped applying jobs.
So you're starting to apply now, right?
Yeah, I can start now. Actually, now I will apply with the confidence.
Yeah, exactly. And what's happened a lot of the time is you end up taking a position that's not with us or with the current client, and then you end up obviously getting a better offer somewhere else. Which is, look, whatever way happens, we're happy for you.
Yeah, actually, before I join your your internship program, there was my friend. He told me don't join this program. How do you know that he's going to help you? And there is so many things. There were even my brother told me that okay, you don't need to join this company because we don't know this company is really he is going to help you or not. Because and then I fight with all of them because I have a gut feeling that you guys are really good and you are going to help me. If you want to change your career, it's never been too late to change your career. If you have a right mindset, if you have a right mentor like Mr. James, you can change your career anytime. Just you need to have a faith in yourself and take a chance and go for it.
So yeah, that's amazing. So you've achieved your goal. I'm really happy for you. It's a great achievement what you've done. So it really all does come down to you. You've done the work. You've taken it on. You've impressed the client. So really a big congratulations to you. So you wanted to get into compliance for 6 years, wasn't able to. You've done the ACAN certification, and then 1 year after that, you then got into the Global Early Careers program and launched your career.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's a great transformation.